It's Thursday morning, and it's a tricky one. This is the view around West Michigan along with the Consumers Energy outage map. We do have a number of outages, and we're starting to see more of them with the wind that's been happening. It's been howling out there, Emily. Definitely strong gusts last night. How long will those continue?
Yeah, last night into this morning, that's kind of the time frame that we were focusing on for the strongest wind gusts. So over the next couple of hours, we still had that potential to see the damaging wind gusts. And then heading into the afternoon, they don't look quite as high, but it's still going to certainly be very windy out there. So here's where our wind speeds stand right now. 30 miles per hour for a lot of areas, 38 miles per hour sustained in Holland at this time. And our wind gusts are even higher than that. So we're seeing gusts that are coming in closer to 40 or even 50 miles per hour. We've had some gusts that were even closer to 60. So a high wind warning that continues until 4 p.m. for Ottawa County on up to the north. Wind advisory until 4 p.m. for the rest of West Michigan. So please be careful out on the roads this morning as there is some debris out there. Temperature-wise, it's ridiculously warm for December. 60s for a lot of areas to start off the day. Storm Track Live shows that most of those rain showers have come to an end, and that cold front that is causing all of this trouble is passing through the state and about to exit. Coming up, we'll talk some more about those wind speeds, but a lot you need to be aware of as you're heading out the door this morning. Tom, what are we looking at for that morning commute?
Well, we are starting to hear of a lot of trees down, and that is creating some issues for drivers out there, particularly a number of issues right now developing in Ottawa County. So all of these crashes that we're about to highlight here are cars and trees, and so just be aware of that as you head out the door this morning. So Traditions Way, there's a lane blocked right now at campus because of a tree down. We are also working with a crash along Lake Michigan Drive at 120th Avenue, again involving a tree and a car. And then we have a tree situation developing at Stanton Street, crash at Hiawatha Drive, and also working with a crash right now along 72nd Avenue, crash at Taylor Street. So again, just use extreme caution as you head out the door this morning, keeping in mind you may be the first person driving down that road, and so just be vigilant. I'll have another update for you coming up in about 15 minutes. Teresa?
All right, Tom, thank you. We also have one school district closed because of power outages and damage after the storms here, mainly the damage. Dana White is in Fruitport this morning to show us what's happening there. Good morning, Dana.
That's right, Teresa. I did find a hair tie for this one here, so it looks a lot better than if you were watching 15 minutes ago. But we are here at Edgewood Elementary School in Fruitport, where if you take a look behind me, you can see that the roof has actually been blown off of the building because of the heavy winds. There's a lot of debris flying out here this morning, so we do have to stay a bit further away. But again, the roof has flown off of the building at Edgewood Elementary School. As you mentioned, Teresa, all Fruitport community schools are closed today. And again, just reiterating what Tom and Emily were saying, if you are heading out this morning, be sure you are just being vigilant and looking for debris in the road, because there is a lot over in this area along the lake shore. We're live in Fruitport this morning. Dana White, News 8.
All right, Dana, thank you. We'll keep checking in with her.